Morning comes, the tree stands tall. Cats are sneaking down the hall. One quick leap, the climb begins. Tinsel twirls and chaos wins. Little paws in branches stuck, baubles fall. Oh, what luck! Every year the same routine. Furry stars of Christmas scene. Cats are in the Christmas tree, full of joy and energy, climbing high without a plan, doing all the things they can, shaking lights from top to base. Happy mischief fills the place. Nothing's safe, but that's okay. Cats make Christmas every day. Snow's always falling slow. Inside, cats put on a show. One gets tangled in a string, one decides to start a swing. Lights are flashing, blinking fast. How long will the tree still last? But their joy is clear to see. This is cat-made festivity. Cats are in the Christmas tree, full of winter ecstasy, jumping, tumbling, playing hard, guarding it like their backyard. Every ornament's a toy, every climb a burst of joy. We don't mind their wildest breed. Cats belong in Christmas trees. Tiny whiskers, shining eyes, plotting climbs of every size. No one stops their holiday